Hello everyone, welcome back to computer class. Today I am going to start new lesson, that is lesson number 5. Lesson name is Spreadsheet and Introduction. In the 2 units were there. First unit is unit number 1, Fundamentals of Spreadsheet. Content: Introduction about spreadsheet, limitations of manual spreadsheet, features of spreadsheet, advantages of spreadsheet, starting how you will start the MS Excel. Spreadsheet in the sense MS Excel only, Microsoft Excel, how you will open everything. First is about introduction. Introduction about what is that? Spreadsheet only. In MS Word you can create, edit and print document. Yes, right. In MS Word you want to create a picture, whatever, you can insert a picture, whatever you want, you can do. But when you are dealing with the numeric data, means numbers, if you want to type numbers something and you want to perform calculation on that numbers, mathematical operation you need to perform, means what you can do, you can use MS Word, no, right? In that MS Word you can type calculation, everything will be difficult in the MS Word. So you need another application package called MS Excel. Okay, MS Excel is another application package. In that application package you can insert the numeric data and you can calculate the mathematical operation, everything you can do in that MS Excel. If you are going to compare with the manual spreadsheet, manual applications, means in the olden days what we are doing, you need to take a one sheet, you need to draw the lines, columns, everything you need to draw, you need to write numbers, everything, and you need to calculate using a calculator. If your calculator is not there, means normal calculation you need to do and you need to write in that, right? That is manual spreadsheet. To overcome from that manual spreadsheet, here they have developed what is that? MS Excel, means electronic spreadsheet. Okay, here example, when you can use this MS Excel or spreadsheet, means preparing a cash memo or annual report card. Annual report card in the sense, if I am going to type your report card, means I need to type your marks, I need to add the total, I need to write the percentage, aggregate, everything I need to write. Yes, right. So it is difficult to write in a manual spreadsheet. Manual in the sense only writing in a sheet and calculating using a finger or calculator. Sometimes it may be you can do mistakes, right? To overcome from that, they have developed electronic spreadsheet. Okay, how it will be? The spreadsheet will look like a large sheet. In that large sheet which contain data and information, you can type data and information. In the large sheet, it will be having the rows and columns will be there. Number of rows and number of columns will be there. Okay, combination of rows and columns. Okay, and it is also called as a worksheet also, spreadsheet or worksheet. Okay. Computer spreadsheet is known as an electronic spreadsheet. If you have written using your hand in the sheet and all, means it will be called as a manual spreadsheet. Defaultly designed in a computer, right? So it is called as an electronic spreadsheet. Next is limitations of manual spreadsheet. First one, you need to draw rows and columns on the paper to begin your task. Yes, right? Manual spreadsheet in the sense what you have designed using your hand. You need to draw everything and you can start your work. This will not provide the facility to perform calculation automatically. Okay, you can't calculate any default calculation won't be there. Means in the electronic spreadsheet, in a computer if you are doing, means using some formulas. If you have typed on formula, means based on that formula, defaultly automatically it will calculate and it will display the value. But in a manual spreadsheet, you need to take each and every values and you need to calculate, right? Next, it is time consuming. Yes, manual spreadsheet is time consuming. Why? Because you need to draw rows and columns, you need to write and you need to calculate everything. For everything it will take more time. Its size is fixed. Yes, right. If you are going to draw any rows and columns in a sheet using a pen or pencil, means the size will be fixed, right? If you want to change the size, means you need to erase everything and you need to change the size. But in an electronic spreadsheet, you can change the size easily. the calculation may not be 100% error free. Is right? If the calculation is done by a computer, means it will be accurate, means it will be correct only. But if you are calculating using your own, or else if you are calculating using a finger and all, means sometime it may miss, your calculation will be wrong sometime. Next is about features of spreadsheet. Whatever the feature were there in an electronic spreadsheet. First one, MS Excel doesn't require any specialized training program. Means if you are going to open MS Excel, if you want to type something, means no need to get trained about MS Excel. Okay, it will be easy for everyone. All the calculation can be done automatically. Example, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, everything will be calculated easily, automatically also. It is accurate in the sense error free. Okay, no error will be there. Provides multiple copies of spreadsheet. Yes, right. If you have typed something in one sheet, means you can take a copy and you can make one more copy also. Number of copies you can make. It performs basic mathematical operations. Yes, basic mathematical in the sense normal operations will be there, right? Everything will be done using a electronic spreadsheet. Sort the data in ascending and descending order. Okay, for example, you have typed the student's name in the column, first column. Okay, if you want to sort the data in order wise, alphabetical order, okay, ascending or a descending or whatever, using electronic spreadsheet, the data will be sorted easily. But you compare this with the manual spreadsheet, is it possible to sort the data after writing? No, right? So, but here in electronic spreadsheet, you can sort the data according to ascending order, descending order, alphabetical A to Z or Z to A, you can sort the data. Allow you to add password to a workbook. Means one spreadsheet you have created, you have saved means you can give a password to that workbook. Next is about advantages of spreadsheet. What are the advantages will be there? First one, by default it will arrange in a row and column. Okay, by defaultly rows and columns will be fixed. Okay, means if you are going to open MS Excel also, it will show number of rows and columns will be there. No need to draw everything, nothing. Second one, data entered can be a number or a string or a formula. Means you can enter a number also in that, you can enter a name also, string in a sense name or whatever, and you can enter a formula also. You can change the appearance. Changing the appearance means size you can change. Okay, row and column size will be there, right? That you can change. And also the color you can change, text color you can change, style of the text you can change. Okay. You can take a print also. Using a electronic spreadsheet, you have typed, you have saved means you can take a print using a print option. Control P, if you pressed means print window will come. You can take a preview of the print and afterwards you can take a print also. Next is starting MS Excel. Okay, you can start MS Excel by performing some of these steps. Some steps you need to follow and you can open the MS Excel also. First one, click start button, where the start button will be in a desktop in the left side down will be there, right? You have to click the start button, click Microsoft and then Excel, Microsoft Excel, or if you can type the Microsoft Excel there, or else defaultly if the shortcut icon is present in a desktop means directly you can click that icon. Means in a computer desktop sometime MS Excel icon will be there, right? You can click directly, you can double click on that, it will open. If the default icon is not there means you can search using a start box and you can type Microsoft Excel. One pop-up menu will come. Pop-up menu means down to up menu will come. In that menu it will show MS Excel everything. You can select that, it will open. The default window of MS Excel is this one. You can see, right, the number of rows, number of columns were there, right? This is the default window of MS Excel. Yeah. Next is when you click the file tab, it provides a backstage view. File tab, where the file tab will be in the MS Excel upside, left side file tab will be there, right? This is the file tab. If you click that file tab means this backstage view will appear. What is this backstage view? The components of the backstage view are, first one, new. What is the use of new? New is used to open a new document. Next is about open. Open is, if you click the open option means it will start to open the existing worksheet for you. Save as is used to save a document with a suitable file name. Okay, only the save means it won't ask the name of that, defaultly it will take and it will save the content of a file. Close is used to close the worksheet, and next is info. Info is used to information about the workbook, when you have created, when you have edited, everything. Next is recent is used to display the recently used workbook. Okay, whatever the workbook you have used recently, everything it will show down by down. Print is used to take the print of a workbook. Exit, it allow to quit the package directly. Whole MS Excel you want to close means you can click on this exit option. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.